Why is important to worship each other? Every person is happier when they know what they are being acknowledged. It feels great when you are appreciated by those who are around you. Do you know how you feel when someone notices you? When someone tries to understand you? Tantric sex is all about worshiping yourself and your partner as well. This doesn't mean that you will have to worship each other blindly. It simply means that you both need to shower each other with unconditional love. Unconditional love doesn't mean unconditional power over one another. It simply means that serving each other to be to the best of your abilities to attain mutual pleasure. When you start following the path of tantric sex, you will find that it feels good to hear positive things about yourself, and you will also want to keep complimenting your partner. This is the meaning of being worshipped and worshiping your partner. Page 48. Learning about the gods and goddesses. There are different male and female gods as well as goddesses found in different cultures around the world, like Egyptian, Greek, Roman, and Indian as well. These gods and goddesses are mostly from an ancient era. Let us learn more about the different goddesses. Most of the goddesses often represent fertility and life. However, they are also seen as seductresses who seduce their partners and engage in sexual intercourse with them. In this section, you will read about a few main goddesses, and you can perhaps find a few traits that you associate yourself with. Aphrodite. Aphrodite is considered to be the most famous of Greek goddesses. She represents beauty, desire, love, and sexuality. She also represents friendship. Aphrodite is often represented by doves, rose, puppies, and even dolphins as well. According to Roman mythology, she is referred to as Venus. In Roman mythology, she is the symbol of purity. Artemis. She is considered to be the goddess of hunting. Artemis is a Greek goddess, and she represents the moon and is a virgin goddess. She is a warrior and a hunter, the female counterpart to complement Ares, the god of war. Athena, the goddess of wisdom and knowledge. She is the patron goddess of Athens. Strategy and planning are the two traits that are commonly associated with Athena. Juno or Hera, depending upon whether it is the Greek or Roman version of mythology, is considered to be a mother-like figure with a nurturing and calming nature. Hindu goddesses. There are various goddesses in India and Nepal, and each of them has been given a lot of importance. Various ceremonies are conducive to honor each of these goddesses. The main goddesses are mentioned here. Durga is considered to be the mother of all goddesses. Tara is considered to represent wisdom as well as kindness. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Saraswati is the goddess of various art forms and skill. Kali represents strength and power. She is also the protector of the realm. 50. Gods from different cultures. Every religion has different gods and goddesses. These gods often have a counterpart in the form of a goddess. There are different deities worshipped by different cultures. They all represent immense strength, power, and are often thought of as super beings. This section recovers various gods from different religions. You might be able to identify your traits or those of your partner in this list given here. Hindu gods. Hindu gods include Lord Shiva, who has got immense power, and Lord Vishnu is considered to be the god of all gods. There are different manifestations of Lord Shiva, and there are quite a few representations of his dark side as well. Shakti is the consort of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva and Shakti form a powerful pair and represent pure energy. Ganesh is a very popular god as well. Shakti is the consort of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva and Shakti form a powerful pair and represent pure energy. Ganesh is a very popular god as well. He is a young boy with the head of an elephant. Lord Ganesh is known to remove obstacles and spread happiness. Lord Rama and Sita form a couple that is often worshipped all over India. They are considered to be the perfect couple and represent the harmony that should exist between a husband and wife. Greek gods. There are numerous Greek gods, and they have all become famous because of the strength and power that they hold. Zeus is considered to be the greatest of all. He is the king of all gods and the supremely powerful alpha male. Eros is the commonly referred to as Cupid, and he is cherubim, or a little boy who is often mischievous and often keeps shooting arrows of love at people around him. He is the god of love. Dionysus is the Greek and the Roman god of lust. According to the legends, he always chased women and indulged in drinking a lot of wine. He indeed is the god of lust. Chapter 7. Prepare your body. The teachings of Tantric Sex believe that your body is a temple of love, and that it is really important that you keep it healthy. If you want to achieve higher levels of ecstasy, then you will need to keep fit. In this chapter, you will learn about the different types that you can make use of for keeping your body fit and healthy. There are specific yoga positions that you can make use of if you want to facilitate the movements of energy in your body. The practices that have been mentioned in this chapter are helpful in helping you in channeling as well as controlling sexual energy in your body. More often than not, we tend to make our bodies for granted. We don't worry about it, and we don't realize that the body is the bridge that will help you in attaining bliss. You will need to worship your body and treat it with the care and love it deserves if you want to attain a higher level of bliss. Page 52. Building love for your body through the looking glass. One of the most important things that you will need to do while you are preparing your body for tantric sex is to let go of all the different negative thoughts that you might harbor about your body. You will have to view every part of your body, including your genitals, and see whether or not they are healthy. If you feel that you are fat, simply tell yourself that you are curvy. You must do this regularly to make sure that you let go of any negative feelings that you might have towards your body and instead enjoy yourself and have fun while having sex. When was the last time you have seen yourself naked? When was the last time you have seen yourself naked? Try understand naked in front of a full-length mirror. You can do this after taking a shower if you prefer to do this. Take a close look at every inch of your body. Start from your feet right up to the top of your head. If you notice that you are criticizing yourself, then stop and instead give yourself a compliment. Replace every negative thought in a positive one. If you feel that your ass is fat or that your thighs are thick, simply think that you have a luscious figure. You needn't worry about what you look like. Change every negative feeling to a positive one. Then observe your genitals. You should focus on every little aspect of your genitals, the colors, shape, and also the moistness in particular areas. It is really important that you do this to be confident about your body. You can observe your first chakra, the base chakra, that is located at the end of your spine and the anal region. This chakra provides you with the idea of security, and you need to take some time and observe this area in the same manner in which you observe your genitals. Use 2 mirrors if you need to. 53. The connection between yoga and tantric sex. Yoga is perhaps one of the best ways in which you will be able to prepare your body for tantric sex. Yoga and tantric sex are closely related. Yes. Therefore, it wouldn't come as a surprise that most of the tantric masters have also mastered the art of yoga. Learning yoga will help in gaining control over their bodies. Practicing yoga will also help you in gaining control over your mind and body. It will also help in controlling your body movements. Gaining control over your body will let you experience multiple orgasms and also have control over your ejaculation. This will have a positive effect on your health and your sex life as well. The next page 54. Beginning simple yoga movements.